Hey, good evening, everybody. Wanted to throw together a really quick tutorial here. I was corresponding with a subscriber earlier today, and they were asking questions about using choice chips and conditional visibility to show other choice chips depending on the selection that was made. And I believe that I understood correctly what they were wanting to know how to do. Hopefully this answers their question. If not, then I may need them to break it down a little bit better as to what they're wanting. But for this tutorial, very, very simple. I'm just going to show you what happens when you tap one of these. Choice C isn't going to do anything because I don't have it set up, but selecting either choice A or choice B is going to reveal a conditionally hidden subset of choice chips. So if I select choice A, now we've got choice A-1, choice A-2, A-3, so on and so forth. Again, if we select choice C, they go away. And if we select choice B, it brings up the subset of B-1, -2, and -3. So, using conditional visibility to show and hide additional choice chips based off of the selection of your first set of choice chips. And of course, you can hide and show basically whatever you want based off of a selection of choice chips. And you could even do like a third level, fourth level, however you want to do it. You could do drop down. You could do you can use this same method to show and hide various elements within a list, both those that are statically created and those that are dynamically created from a query. All right, so jumping over here to the back end real quick. Here's what I've got. Just got a test page set up here. I've got a column, and in that column, I've got 3 sets of choice chips as noted in that test view that you saw. There's our first set, our subset for A, and our subset for B. And to make that work, so I actually have this set up, the first one, and I have them all set up that way, but the first one I have set up where there is no initial option. Bringing this back over. Well, it's going to load. Having no initial options set has them all grayed out. That way, none of your subset of options are shown initially. Kind of makes it cleaner, but of course you could have an initial option if you wanted to. So I have that disabled, or I don't have that filled in on any of them. I do have a require selection turned on for all of them though. And the way that I have that set up, so there's obviously no conditions here. There's no actions set in here. So I don't have anything set up for that initial one. I'm actually just doing all of the conditions on these two. So if I go down here to this first one, here's my conditional visibility. And the way that I have that set up is the first value, well, first of all, I have it set as a single condition. And the first value for that is the, I go down to widget state and select choice chips set 1. And then I have it set equal to specified value, and then I manually typed in choice A. So that way, when choice A is selected, this subset of choice chips will be revealed. And it's essentially the same thing down here with the B selection. First value is choice chip set 1 up here, equal to specified value choice B. So when choice chip number B, or letter B is selected, then the subset of choice chip B 1, 2, and 3 will be revealed. So very simple, and again, you can make multiple subsets, pretty much as many as you want to. And then obviously when you're working within your editor, so you don't just have a massive long list of different choice chips here, you can go into here and just hide them in the editor so that you can work with a fairly accurate interface for how things are going to be laid out. All right, so that's how you do that for hiding and revealing additional choice chips. And again, you can do that to hide and reveal basically whatever you want. You just need to define the condition where the selected choice chip is equal to whatever is defined in that choice chip's field here. So, all right. So that's pretty much it for that. Now, bear in mind, of course, that these are set statically inside the app. This is not using dynamic properties to fill in these options. We can touch on that at a different time if you'd like, but I wanted to keep this tutorial really short and just cover the basic of how to do conditional visibility on those. All right, that's it for this one. Take care.